Welcome to Babonga's channel. Let's make paper mache cupcakes for a nice Christmas decoration. This is a cat food tin and I'm covering the side all around with masking tape. Next, I'm gonna use white glue to cover all around the side and the top. White glue helps the paper clay stick. I'm going to use paper clay that I made myself at home. It works fine and here is the recipe. Pause the video if needed. So, I'm gonna start with creating a basic cupcake top like this. The shape is very simple and I don't need to cover much of the side. I'm trying to use my knife as a pastry chef, making everything smooth and round. Rotating the piece helps. Eventually, I get a nice, smooth and round top side. I'm gonna use glue first and then add more clay to give my cupcake more volume and a more interesting shape. It takes quite a long time to smooth everything and to make it look like cream. So take your time with it. Okay, next come the cherry decorations, that is wooden beads of various sizes. I happen to have wooden beads. If I had to do perfect round shapes with this kind of clay, it would be very difficult. If one does not have wooden beads, there might be other solutions to this problem. But not plastic beads, because they cannot be painted over. The next addition that I'm gonna make is two small triangles. They're gonna be cute cat ears. But first, white glue. Easy to make two soft triangular shapes. Just place them at their right positions. In fact, you don't have to do the cat ears, but I had to. I don't know, cat ears are cat ears. They're always cute. So I added them. After placing them, they need a little bit of work, though. A kind of shallow dent there to make them more real. After everything is done and checked that it's okay, we leave it to dry. Next day it's dry. So now I can paint. I'm gonna do soft colors and bright red cherries. I don't know, I like it already. The next thing is to cover the side all around. First, with simple white paper that I'm going to place there with a layer of white glue, like this. Of course, you could paint this paper or even use colored paper, but I'm gonna do decoupage with colorful Christmas napkins. It's always hard to peel both layers, but it's necessary. It's very Christmassy and I like it now. To stick the napkin, I'm gonna use again white glue on the white paper that I've placed before, and then extremely carefully I'm going to apply the very thin and fragile napkin paper. And all the time I have to be very careful not to tear the napkin. After this, I'm going to add a little bit of glitter and even some gold leaf. To finish my paper mache cupcake, I need to cover the bottom. So, I'm gonna use a piece of carton and another cat food tin to get the measure of the circle. This carton circle will cover the bottom perfectly. With a little bit of clear glue, this cover will stay in place. And this was it. Paper mache Christmas cupcake. And why not make some more?